dual-powered cleaning. ECOVACS DEEBOT X9 Pro Omni. Exclusive OZMO roller mopping technology. Stains removed by the ultimate mopping dominance. With the instant self-washing structure, no more cross-contamination. Fueled by the Super Boost battery, energizing the first ever blast solution. Powerful suction effortlessly extracts dust or even larger particles. Our clean anti-tangle side brush, paired with cyclone-directed anti-tangle main brush. Together, they ignite the third generation of zero-tangle anti-tangle system. Side brush, roller brush, and roller mop drives triple lift system, achieving precision dry-wet separation. The third generation of IV3D Omni Approach technology, together with the second generation of True Edge, maximize coverage of cleaning. Okay, Eco, start cleaning now. Okay, Eco, begin cleaning. Come clean here. Okay, Eco, vacuum the bedroom. Okay, Eco, suction up. Real-time interaction, effortless at your command. The second generation of AI stain detection detects, analyzes, adapts tailored strategies for every mess. Enhanced Omni Station with auto emptying, the second generation of temperature-controlled mop washing, hot air drying. Effortlessly enjoy all-in-one cleaning. For every side of you, fully equipped, all in life, all in gear. Dual-powered flagship robotic vacuum cleaner. DEEBOT X9 Pro Omni. Blast the dirt, roll to shine.